This is Genspark. Now they're already at $155 million in ARR, and you might recognize their name from their 2026 Super Bowl ad. And in this video, I'm going to showcase their most recent launch, AI Workspace 2.0. So what exactly is Genspark? It's an all-in-one AI workspace that brings together multiple top AI models and very specialized agents inside of a single platform. And instead of jumping between separate tools for slides, spreadsheets, research, design, video, everything lives in a single organized workspace. Plans start at $19.99 per month. However, there is a free tier and they're offering unlimited AI chat and AI image usage for all of 2026. So now I'm going to show you how you can use Genspark to augment your workflow using their all-in-one AI Workspace 2.0. Okay, so this is Genspark, and you can get here by going to genspark.ai and you'll land on their AI Workspace 2.0. Now, once here, you can use this tool to completely automate and augment some key areas of your workflow, from making slides, creating docs, generating video assets, and so on. So let me show you the power of Genspark and how it's different than just a standard model. Now, first and foremost, it utilizes some of the world's top LLMs like GPT 5.2 and Opus 4.6. But most importantly, it has all of these different AI agents that are great at doing their own thing in isolation. So for example, you have AI slides, you have an agent that will make slides for you, an agent that will make sheets for you, an agent that will make docs, an agent that will help you code things, etc., etc. Now, their Workspace 2.0 is basically an all-in-one hub where you can trigger their specialized agents all from this single isolated workflow. So let's go ahead and kick off this process and demo how you might utilize this in your own workflow. Now, I think the best thing that you can do to start with Genspark is have it get familiar with you. So there's this really cool feature here that we can go to by clicking this plus button and then clicking personalization. Now, I already have all of this info filled out, but you can have it auto research yourself by clicking this auto research button here and then pasting in a link. So to your Twitter, to your LinkedIn, so on and so forth. Now, I'm going to paste in my LinkedIn because I'm going to use this for my workflow as a software engineer, and my LinkedIn profile has all of the data around me, around my career as a software engineer and sort of what I specialize in. So I'll click this auto research button here and I'll let Genspark do its thing. So as you see, it's working to get some more detailed information about me. It's researching my LinkedIn profile and then creating a profile based on this information that it's gathering. Okay, sweet. So as you see, it did some research about me. It figured out that I was a full stack developer. I specialize in mobile and front end. And I'm also a YouTuber, and I've partnered with a lot of tech brands. So really interesting to see the research it did and what it gathered about me. Now I'm just going to click this button to make Genspark more personalized towards me, and then I'll click save. So this is great because the way that I want to use Genspark today is to use it as a way to help me come up with a solo development agency. Now this is purely theoretical, but I'm just showing you to demonstrate the capabilities that Genspark here provides. So to get this theoretical agency off the ground that sort of specializes in my niche, which is front-end development, I'm going to first have its super agent here do some deep research about the development agency field and sort of what I specialize in. So I'm actually going to prompt Genspark here using one of their tools called Speakly. And I'm going to say, I want to launch a solo development agency with a niche focus in mobile and front-end performance optimization and technical debt rebuilds. My target clients should be VC-backed startups or growth stage SaaS companies, and my core services should be code-based audits, architectural refactors, React Native rebuilds, performance optimizations, and then just ongoing engineering advisory. So I want you to, let's say, research and compile data on 10 agencies competing in this space and organize it into a structured comparison table inside of Sheets. So what I just utilized was Speakly. Now, Speakly is Genspark's text-to-speech AI tool that is a lot more than just, regular text-to-speech. It utilizes AI to sort of format everything that you're saying in a really digestible way, and it filters out a lot of the filler words like I used when I just made that prompt. I said a lot of ums and ahs, and Speakly actually just removed all that to keep the core focus on the actual prompt and what I'm trying to build. Quick side note, Speakly AI isn't just something that you use inside of Genspark. You can literally use it anywhere. Like if I'm writing emails, I can talk instead of type, or highlight a paragraph and have it instantly polish it to make it more professional or more polite. I can even speak in English and have it generate an email in another language. So it significantly speeds up communication, and it's all around a really cool tool. And this is what I'm going to be using throughout this video. Now you can prompt a Genspark directly, but I think it saves so much more time. It's much more efficient to use some sort of text-to-speech tool, especially in this age of speed, to help you get your prompts out faster. So I'm going to hit enter there. Okay, great. So it created those sheets. I can click the view result button to see what it cooked up. Looking through this, it did some pretty comprehensive analysis to kind of go through the different market segments, how I could position myself as a solo agency, competitive positioning matrix, some strategic insight, and then sort of what I could charge right here, which is really cool. It also did an agency comparison. So it found some actual agencies with the different locations, the years in business, the size of the team, and then their core specializations and niches. So I think that's really cool stuff there. I'm going to now click this 3-dot menu and then click add to my hub. And I'm going to add this to my dev agency's idea hub here and click move. So let's talk about what that hub is. So if I head on over to the left nav here and then click this hub button, I have this dev agency idea hub that I've already, prematurely created, where I can see all of the various different things and documents that I've generated for this agency idea. So basically this hub is just a dedicated and organized workspace within the Genspark AI platform that's designed to manage specific projects by consolidating different files, data, and contexts all in one place. And what's really cool about this is that it can be multi-member. So if I was working with somebody else, let's say at this theoretical agency, I could invite them to this hub so they could have access to the documents and things that I generated using Genspark. On top of that, you can save things directly to your own personalized AI drive. So if I go to my AI drive here, it's a bit different than the hub. This is a personalized drive for any different files and documents that I want to save to my account. So this is already pre-populated with some data, as you see here. I've been, experimenting with Genspark and creating different documents that I've saved to this AI drive. So there's two different places that you can sort of store data. So you have the hub, which is essentially a dedicated organized workspace that you can use for multiple members. And then you have your own personalized AI drive. All right, so that is the Sheets capability. Now let's invoke a new agent that will create AI slides for us. So I'm going to prompt the super agent here again. I'm going to say, I now want you to create a professional client pitch deck for this agency idea. I want you to create slides for the technical debt problem that most companies face, the hidden cost of poor architecture and bad design decisions. I want you to come up with our performance first methodology that we can use inside of this agency. And then I want you to create a case study example. And this can just be a placeholder for now. And then finally, I just want you to come up with some pricing tiers and then a timeline for delivery. I'll click enter, and then this should invoke the AI slides agent. So while this is generating, again, I just want to reiterate, Genspark has all of these different AI agents capable of different things, like creating images, video, even podcasts, but I'm invoking them directly from this super agent just because this workspace has the full context of what I'm sort of building right now. Okay, great. So that generated a 20 slide pitch deck. Now I'm noticing some immediate glaring issues, so I'm just going to ask the agent to fix this, and I'm going to say, I'm noticing a lot of dark text on a dark background. Can you ensure proper contrast by making the text lighter if it's going to be on a darker background, please? I'll click enter. Okay, great. So the AI slides are generated. It fixed the contrast issue. And then going through here, it looks like it added some information about me, assuming, this came from the deep research phase, like the brands that I've worked with, how many subs I have, et cetera, et cetera. And overall, without diving too deep into things, it looks really good. And Genspark also has some things or tools that we can leverage to make these slides better, like these AI edits and fact checking the slides. We can also click the advanced edit button here to kind of get a better overview of the slides and then edit them in some specific places. But I'm going to go back here now. And then I'm also just going to add this to my hub. So I'm going to add this to my hub here. Again, just sort of collecting all of the different documents and things that I generate as I navigate through this process. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our super chat window here. Now I want to demo the AI designer agent here. So I kind of want to build a brand kit around this agency. So again, I'm going to invoke Speakly and say, I want you to design a complete brand identity for this software development agency. I want the brand personality to be technical, the designs to be minimal, and I want it to look premium. So something like that. This should invoke the designer agent. I'll click enter, and it opened up the AI designer canvas here while it starts to build those designs. Okay, so here's the completed designs it came up with. Overall, came up with a good amount of different designs. It even kind of came up with different names that we could name this agency. Some really cool ones in here. I really like this one, ship faster, perform better. This card one is cool. Overall, really interesting and really cool concept. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to my hub as well. So we'll do dev agency ideas. We'll move it over there. And then finally, let's invoke one more agent. So let's go back to the super agent over here to kick this off. And the very last thing I want to do is utilize the video agent to create some promotional videos for this agency. So I'm going to say something like, can you create me some small promotional videos for this agency? I just need 2 or 3. We'll click enter, and then we'll let it AI generate those videos. And under the hood, as you see, it's utilizing Google's Gemini VO3 to generate these videos. Okay, cool. So we have some promotional videos that it generated. Let's watch this one. Gunderman. 1.1 start pop time. Right. Engineering. So there are some typos. As you know, AI generated video is going to be prone to some typos. However, still some pretty interesting concepts. And if this is something that we wanted to pursue further, we could, utilize this as a foundation. So we should be able to download these videos directly, and we can also use Genspark and add these to our hub. So let's go ahead and go back to our hub here. We'll go into Dev Agency Ideas. And again, this lays out everything that we just generated and worked through, all in a single isolated place. So after going through all of that, here's what really stands out about Genspark. It's not just another chatting tool. It's really cool because it orchestrates multiple top AI models and the specialized agents, as you saw, inside of a single workspace to help you actually produce finished work. On top of that, their momentum is very real. Again, they did 155 million in ARR in just 10 months. They recently ran a Super Bowl commercial, and now they have their AI Workspace 2.0 as their flagship platform. And just as a friendly reminder, they're offering unlimited AI chat and AI image usage for all of 2026, including models like GPT 5.2, Claude Opus 4.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and more, all inside of one subscription starting at $19.99 per month. So if you want to try it out, use my link in the description below. Let me know what you make with Genspark. Huge shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Other than that, thank you for making it this far in the video, and I will see you all in the next one.